Yes, indeed.
Hello there, peoples. It's 217 on the 30th, and I just thought I'd do an update on a stock that I purchased yesterday with a little bit of the behind the scenes, I guess. Um, just because I'm close to getting stopped out of it potentially, and I just wanted to talk about it beforehand. So it was I guess you'd call it a risky maneuver. I was in APH yesterday near the end of close, um, and it was trading at like 1260 something. I'm just gonna pull it up. Um, I think it was 1266. Yes. So I got in at 1280, got stopped at around 1270, and I had a limit order at like 1250 something. But then it was getting close to the end of the day, and the stock was down like something like 16%, like a significant move on the day. And I was looking at sort of the last 3 months of the stock and just looking for, it's dumped quite a bit, like 3 or 4 different times over the last, say, month or so. And I was looking at rebound days afterwards, and they were fairly significant and consistent. So I had a strong feeling. Plus, it was the big, between all the weed stocks on the TSX, it was the big loser of the day. It was down several percent more than the other ones. So I basically put was it a market or a limit order? I think it was a limit order, but it was a little higher than I wanted to get in for 1266 yesterday. And then obviously today it has had some success. Now it's been as high today as 1397. I had an original sell of 1414, which is about halfway back from its loss yesterday. Now it hasn't come up close to 1414 as of yet. So as it's pulled down, I decided to I put a stop loss on it at 1324. So as you can see, it has hit 1320 as early as, let's say around 11:30, sorry, 1:30 this afternoon. And now we're really sort of testing this 1:30 or 13:30 mark here. We've been testing it for a little while in here, this 13:30 mark. So I may get stopped out at 1324, but even at 1324, that's 24 plus 34. It's about 70 cents on 8,000 shares. That's a pretty good. That's a pretty good profit. I think that's about 6,500. So I mean, it's risky in the sense of if you're a day trader and you're holding a stock overnight. A lot of people say no, never do that because you don't know the aftermarket trading, what could possibly happen. And you can see even today, I mean, let me back up to the sort of beginning of the day where it opened. It opened 1247 and pulled as low as 1239 on the day before, sort of taking off. So I guess I could have got in at market open and probably had even more success. However, I was slightly concerned overnight about there being a movement in the upwards direction in the aftermarket. So I'm going to continue to work on this one. I'm probably going to sort of, if it moves up, maybe past 1340, just keep manually updating my stop loss on it as we go, and maybe it will continue up. It is up 4.5% on the day, which is good. However, it lost something like 16% yesterday. So if the other weed stocks move up with it, we might be able to get it sold for even more. So anyway, that's my update for today. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right, just a quick update. I did get stopped out at 1324. You can see right here. After this high of like 1360, it's sort of been on a downtrend the rest of the afternoon. So in total, that was $4,560 profit. I did lose 1376 yesterday on a quick day trade. So, but overall, I'm fairly satisfied with that. That was fun.
Yes, indeed.